This lemon pasta is a light, refreshing vegan take on the Italian classic. It's made with simple ingredients and easy to make in under 20 minutes, making it perfect for a quick weeknight dinner. First, get the water boiling. This recipe is fast, so we need the pasta ready when the sauce is. Salt the water like you mean it. We're talking salty like the sea, then drop in your pasta of choice. Linguine is a great choice, but honestly, anything that twirls is fair game. Now let's build the magic. In a pan over medium heat, melt some vegan butter and add shallots. Let them soften for a few minutes. Now add some lemon zest and chopped fresh basil and saute for a minute or two each. Before draining the pasta, scoop out some starchy pasta water and add it to the pan along with the cooked pasta. Toss it well to mix everything together. The heat plus the starch will help the flavor cling to every single strand. Then add freshly squeezed lemon juice, more zest, and some vegan Parmesan cheese. Mix it all together until well combined. When serving, add a sprinkle of vegan Parmesan, a little extra virgin olive oil, some fresh basil, and black pepper. Taste and salt if necessary. And that's it. Lemon pasta is super easy. It's light but flavorful with bright citrus flavor, but somehow still feels comforting and luxurious. If this has you craving a big bowl of pasta, visit nutsandtwigs.com for all the details you crave.